Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. My brother, how's it?
Ya unjani Ngobo?
Shabitan Bush.
Ya ngibongela ngethuba out yami. Biye ngibongisela ama players, ngibongisene Thembisa branch. Always Thembisa branch. Ngobo first time game first time Ngobo first half. Bingala chances amo. I think Vilakazi is quiet. But the second half you come Vilakazi strong. Same players you come very by. Changes ezibuyile Ngobo ziyazasiza Ngobo. Yes. But Ngobo this season is much better. Kuna wonke ama season bengiwabona. Understand Ngobo.
Okay,
Phela manje Ngobo manje 11 games. Sine 22 points. Before then besitwela 11 points. Sine 11 points. Manje is much better Ngobo. Angala ama players nathi abantu everyone asiphumeni chance abakhonayo Ngobo. Ngobo siyaku game ye Champions League ye Federation Cup. Everyone kumele bekhona, supporter, fans, management, everyone in faith. Everyone in faith. Was it everyone in faith? Kumele bekhona. Because mina Ngobo ku game yezamaleki ngikhiphe ngokwami yesami sikabi ngisithenzo bhatalela amajit angu10 engwazi eqa ayihle kwami because engwazi angu10 angala amathikiti abayihlulekayo babhatalele tax. Understand? Ngiyabonga Ngobo athi yami.